Hey guys, Amy here. Today I'm going to show you how to make curry leaf into a powder. What I've done is in my little laundry room here, I hung a couple of strings with clothespins on them to dry herbs. This is just one way of doing it. Another way would be to put them into a bag and possibly a paper bag and put them into your car where it's a humid place. But Donto trimmed some curry leaves and I decided to go ahead and let them dry so I can make a powder out of them. Okay, I got the curry leaf down. All I did was put some type of string on it, as you can tell, and just bundled the branches together. Now I'm going to use my mortar and pestle here to grind up the flour, or grind up the leaves. Now you can still smell, they still smell really aromatic. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my time here and I'm going to take the string off, and then I'm going to go ahead and get these leaves taken off and put into there so we can start grinding them up into a powder. Alright guys, so all I'm going to do is just take the masher, start out slow. You want to make sure, I've already went ahead and I cleaned this out and let it dry. And this does take some time. You just want to slowly start mashing it. Because you want to break up the leaves. Now you can crush some of them by hand if you want. Make sure you wash your hands before you do it. And it will take some time. This is not the easiest process, but see what I mean? If you go a little bit too fast, they kind of spill out a little bit. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and keep mashing here. And we'll get back in with you guys in just a few minutes. Alright, wanted to show you guys what I've been doing. This is my first time actually using this. Oop, let me get it over here. And as you can tell, it's mashing them up pretty good. Starting to form into a little white powder. Try to see if I can get to the bottom. And as you can tell, it's starting to turn into a powder at the bottom. So I'm going to keep working on this for a little bit longer, and then hopefully here we'll have the powder here soon, and then that way show you how it's done. Now this is a lot harder than putting it into a blender, but I wanted to give this a try because there's other leaves and flowers and stuff that I'm going to be trying to grow next season here that I would like to put into a powder form to make teas and whatnot with. So I'm going to just keep grinding away here and get back with you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, it took me about an hour, but this is the last of it. Pretty much turned into a powder. And then over here, I've been putting it into one of our little blank shakers. I'm going to label it, but pretty much I am about done. So I'll tell you what, it is a workout. Make sure your wrists are good. Don't know if I'll be doing this much ambitious thing again. Probably better off with maybe the blender. But yep, there's the curry leaf powder. So that way Donald can use it a little bit more often and shake it up. The only problem I had was the little branches inside the leaves. They didn't want to crush up, so I had to go in there every time I was done pulverizing it. I would have to go in there and kind of pick them out a little bit, kind of run them between my fingers to get all the powder off of them, so that way I got the curry leaf powder. But all in all, I think it's pretty successful. I hope you guys enjoy the video, and remember, grow something for your family. Alright, if you like that video, give us a thumbs up, like and subscribe. We also are on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram, and we also have a Facebook group where you can post your own pictures and also make comments and help other people grow something for your family.